Watch out! I think you can use the cars to make a path.
Okay, I'll try.
Oh my God, we're gonna drown in that dude's bro cream.
I'll get us through.
You keep saying that, but things are getting harder and harder. Oh my God, that rocks!
Completely awesome! Things are getting serious.
Juliet and Nick, it's me again. See that path over there? Follow it to that bastard, Killabilly.
I would like a special combo number 5 without child ecstasy in your head.
fight one of these Killabilly things?
Zombies, vampires, Sasquatches.
You killed a Sasquatch?
Sure, tons. Sasquatches are dicks. But this kind of monster, I didn't even know it Awesome! God, I love shopping. Click, click. Well,
Love you as much as I love cheeseburgers.
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing.
I'll try to use something as a shield and get closer. Chainsaw death!
What else have you killed?
Leprechauns. I killed a whole tribe of Frankenberries once.
Frankenberry? From like the cereal?
Ugh, that is total propaganda to get you to trust them. Strawberry's my favorite! Let's go!
Oh my god, that rocks!
Sweet! Chainsaw death! Awesome!
Shit, another fucking building!
I don't know if I haven't gotten this far in my training.
It's gonna be okay, just listen. Keep doing what you've been doing.
I wonder what they have. Let's go!
Lollipop.
There's gotta be a way. We have to think.
Strawberry lollipop.
Shoot his damn eyes out! Shoot his damn eyes out!
Strawberry lollipop. I can't see.
Shoot his damn eyes out! Shoot his damn eyes out!
Juliet.
Please, God, help me! Jesus Christ! Juliet, you can do it!
Happy birthday, Juliet.
Oh my God, they're everywhere! Juliet, you can do it!
I'm scared!
Please, God, help me! Jesus Christ!
What the heck?
I'll be so happy when you kill this guy.
Now it's mine.
Jump on his body!
Did you see the way that dude's head back there splattered all over everything? If I had put you in a mailbox, you would have missed that. It was pretty cool.
He's shown his true form, and it is ugly!
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
Well, I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Never tried getting inside of someone else's.
Juliet, now! Before the hole closes!
But my daddy! No!
You must go into Kilabili's body before the hole your father created closes! His weakness is inside his body!
I can't!
Juliet, listen to me! You have to go now! Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
Juliet, can you hear me? I don't know what's going to happen next. Something very frightening, something demonic is in the air. Good. Not. Be careful.
Oh my God, Dad. I really hope this was worth it. Oh my God, the stench.
Juliet, are you there?
Sensei?
That's his core. Listen carefully. This is your final lesson. Kilabilly is a mountain of tainted flesh, held together by evil spirits. You have to send a signal from its core, commanding it to self-destruct. Once the body is destroyed, all of the captured souls will be sent back to Rotten World. Take control of his core and make him destroy himself.
How?
By detonating a Nick bomb.
A what?
Like you have throughout this battle, you must connect Nick's head to Swan's body.
But what will happen to Nick?
I am so sorry. As Nick will die, but perhaps...
Sensei? I can't hear you!
You were right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us. But it's time to say goodbye. Put me there and make the bomb.
What?
You need to put me on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
Nick, no! He said you'll die!
Juliet, it's okay. I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have been on this journey with you and your family. And I feel like a zombie hunter.
I can't, Nick. I don't want to be without you.
I know, baby. But sometimes there are more important things than what we want in life.
Nick.
I love you too, baby. More than anything.
Nick! Yes, son. Because of your honor and sacrifice, the mad feast has come to an end. You have truly been a hero. The glorious ones have chosen to bless you with a reward. But unfortunately, in the shuffling of this death and that death, this body and that, there was a small mix-up.
A mix-up?
I will be watching you from above, so please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bears.
Juliet?
Nick!
Juliet! The mix-up. I've got Morikawa's body. Well, what the hell, I guess.
Hey, face suckers! Up here! Daddy, you're okay!
Yep. Think I lost a testy in the blast, but what the hell? You only need one.
Looking great, sir.
We best hurry. Your mama's gonna be worried.
Daddy, don't you think you should go to the hospital?
Not necessary. I used a staple gun up there to put the old stroke back together again. I'm a new man.
That's completely horrifying. You know what? This has really been the best birthday ever. Mom, I'm home.
Mama, your lover boy is back.
Everyone, where were you? You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Mom, I have someone I want you to meet.
Mrs. Starling, hi, I'm Nick.
Oh, you're Juliet's friend.
Mom? What's wrong?
Juliet?
Come on in, everyone. Time for dinner.
Holy mother! Oh!
And by dinner,